Right, this is Ed Sheeran's Make It Rain for the Sons of Anarchy. How you get that a bash? The sands of my father, way down in my soul. The pain of my mother, well, now let me go. Know that can come fire from the sky to refine the purest of kings. And even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so I'm just the same. Make it rain down, Lord, make it rain. Oh, make it rain. Make it rain down, Lord, make it rain. Oh, make it rain. The seeds need the water before it grows out of the ground, but it just keeps on getting harder, the hunger more profound. I know there can come tears from the sky, but they may as well all be in vain. Even though I know these tears come of pain, even so I'm just the same. Make it rain down, Lord, make it rain. Oh, make it rain. Make it rain down, Lord, make it rain. Oh, make it rain. The seas are full of water that stop by the shore. It's like the riches of grandeur, oh, never reach the poor. So let the clouds fill with thunderous applause, let lightning be the veins. Fill the sky with all that they can drop when it's time to make a change. Make it rain down, Lord, make it rain. Make it rain. Make it rain down, Lord, make it rain. Make it rain. Make it rain down, Lord, make it rain. Oh, make it rain.